Welcome to the channel. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel for get the latest videos updates. Today I talk about the 5 best essential oils to reduce your headaches and migraine. Essential oils can even help treat certain conditions like headaches or migraine. Different oils offer different benefits. Some essential oils can reduce stress, which can alleviate tension, headaches, or soothe the pain. Number 1. Peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is one of the most commonly used essential oils to treat headaches and migraine attacks. It contains menthol, which can help relax muscles and ease the pain. It's thought that applying diluted peppermint oil topically can help relieve pain from both tension headaches and migraine attacks. How to use? Dilute the peppermint with another carrier oil like coconut oil and apply to temples. Number 2. Rosemary oil. Rosemary oil has powerful anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. It's been used in folk medicine for hundreds of years for stress reduction, pain relief, and improved circulation, which can all help headaches. How to use? To use rosemary oil, you can massage the affected area with a few drops of rosemary oil mixed with a carrier oil like coconut oil. It's also thought that the scent of rosemary oil, like breathing in the scent from your skin or in a hot bath, can provide pain relief. Number 3. Lavender oil. Lavender essential oil is commonly used for stress relief and relaxation. There's also strong evidence that lavender can help treat headaches and migraine. Breathing in the scent from lavender essential oil can help acute management of migraine attacks. How to use? You can apply diluted lavender oil to the skin. Use an oil diffuser or add the diluted oil to a warm bath to obtain its benefits. Number 4. Chamomile oil. The essential oil of chamomile relaxes the body and soothes muscles, and for this reason it can be a great aid in treating tension headaches. It can also help treat anxiety and insomnia, which are common causes of headaches. Pregnant women should not use chamomile essential oil as it carries a risk of miscarriage. How to use? You can add a few drops of chamomile essential oil diluted in a carrier oil to a bath or hot water and breathe in the steam. Number 5. Eucalyptus oil. If your headaches are caused by sinus issues, eucalyptus essential oils can become your new best friend. This oil will open up the nasal passage, clear the sinuses, and help relieve sinus tension that cause the headaches. How to use? You can apply a drop of eucalyptus oil to a carrier oil and apply it to the chest to help clear the sinuses, or add a few drops to hot water and breathe in the vapor. Risk and side effects. The biggest risk associated with essential oils is the risk of an allergic reaction or irritation. Applying oils to the skin can cause irritation, including a stinging or burning feelings, redness, or rash. You should dilute all essential oils, including peppermint and eucalyptus oils, with a carrier oil before applying it to the skin. It's important to remember that essential oils aren't monitored by the Food and Drug Administration for purity, quality, or safety. If purchasing essential oils, be sure to buy from a reputable company. You can visit our Amazon store to buy reputed company essential oils, links in the description box.